Have you ever wondered why infidelity is on the rise in India? By the end of this video, you will understand the complex factors contributing to infidelity and why it's becoming more common in our society. Some of the questions we will be answering are: what drives some people to seek the thrill of infidelity? Is there less stigma around infidelity in the upper class? How have attitudes towards infidelity changed in recent years? And many more. If you want to stay informed about trending topics in India, make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit my blog for more insights. So, what roles does Western influence play in rising infidelity in India? As globalization brings more Western media and culture into our lives, liberal social norms are becoming more prevalent. This exposure can lead to a shift in perspectives, making infidelity seem less taboo than it once was. For example, movies, TV shows, and even societal media often portray extramarital affair as normal or even exciting, influencing how people perceive these actions. But does this mean our values are changing? Speaking of values, how are changing lifestyles impacting relationships? In urban areas, modern lifestyles are leading to more open and exploratory behaviors. With more people embracing freedom and individuality, desires and needs that were once suppressed are now being explored more freely. This includes a greater willingness to step outside traditional relationship boundaries. Increased financial independence, especially among women, also play a role, as they no longer feel bound to stay in unsatisfactory relationships. But why would people risk their relationships instead of opting for divorce? Why do social stigma and fear of divorce contribute to infidelity? In India, divorce is still heavily stigmatized. The fear of societal and familial backlash often pushes individuals towards secret affairs rather than facing the consequences of a divorce. Divorce can lead to significant social ostracization and can be particularly hard on women, who might be blamed for their breakdown of the marriage. This societal pressure makes people more likely to seek extramarital relationship as an alternative to ending their marriage. But what keeps them hooked on infidelity? What drives some people to seek the thrill of infidelity? For some, infidelity can become an addiction fueled by the excitement and secrecy it involves. The thrill of sneaking out, the rush of adrenaline can be highly addictive. Urban anonymity provides ample opportunities for extramarital affair, with busy city life offering the perfect cover for secret meetings. Dating apps and social media have also made it easier to connect with potential partners. However, is society becoming more accepting of these behaviors? How have attitudes towards infidelity changed in recent years? Surveys show a significant shift, with many Indians now viewing infidelity as neither a sin nor immoral. For instance, a survey revealed that 76% of Indian women and 61% of men don't see infidelity as morally wrong. This change in perception creates a more accepting environment for infidelity. With changing values, what might once have been unthinkable is now considered a personal choice. But how does the YOLO effect play into this? Before we move to the next point, let me know in the comment, what do you think about these changing attitudes? Do you believe society is becoming more accepting to infidelity? You can subscribe to my channel now. What is the YOLO effect and how does it relate to infidelity? The "you only live once" philosophy encourages people to make more of their lives, often leading to more risk-taking behaviors, including infidelity. The mindset can make individuals prioritize personal happiness and immediate gratification over long-term commitments and consequences. They may feel that life is too short to stay in unsatisfying relationships, leading them to seek excitements elsewhere. What about high achievers and their tendencies? Why do high achievers tend to engage in extramarital affairs? High achievers often have high libidos and constant need for adrenaline, which can drive them towards infidelity. Their drive for success and high energy levels often translates into a need for excitement and validation in their personal lives. The demanding nature of their work can also lead to stress and a need for an outlet, which some find in extramarital relationships. Is this behavior more accepted in certain social classes? Is there less stigma around infidelity in upper class? Yes, infidelity is more prevalent in the upper and middle classes where people have more resources and opportunities for extramarital activities. In these social circles, infidelity is often viewed with more leniency. Wealth and social status can provide a cushion against the social repercussions of infidelity. Extramarital affairs can even be seen as a status symbol or a sign of liberated lifestyle. But how can better communication help prevent infidelity? Can better communication help prevent infidelity? Many cases of infidelity stem from a lack of communication and understanding within relationships. When partners don't communicate their needs and issues openly, it creates emotional gaps that can lead to infidelity. Open and honest communication can address underlying issues, build trust, and prevent the desires to seek fulfillment outside the marriage. Couples who regularly discuss their feelings, desires, and expectations are less likely to face infidelity issues. That's it in this video. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and comment below on what do you think is the biggest reason behind the rise of infidelity in India. Your feedback motivates me to create more content for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly updates and visit my blog for deeper dives into trending topics. Thanks for watching, and if you are liking this video, you can also check out the videos that are on the screen.